Welcome to the weekly insights from the messages of the AI for Lib group. Today, we are discussing the evolution of libraries from passive repositories into intelligent knowledge partners, a vital synthesis of AI technology, institutional architecture, and the most critical resource of all, human trust. In the modern library, we face the Matthew effect, an 80-20th rule where a small group of power users generates most activity while the majority remains disconnected. This creates information malnutrition. Despite living in a data-rich world, users are blocked by physical distance, psychological friction, and information overload. As Moore's law reminds us, if getting information is more painful than not having it, users will simply walk away. AI acts as the wedge that breaks this cycle. By replacing rigid, confusing catalogs with natural language queries, we lower the barrier to entry. Predictive analytics allow us to proactively reach the non-user, while generative summarization translates dense academic jargon into language that matches a student's or researcher's specific expertise level. However, speed creates a new problem, the trust gap. AI generates information faster than humans can verify it. With the rise of hallucinations and fabricated statistics, the innovation ecosystem faces a deficit of authority. This is where the library steps in, moving from a place that just has books to a place that grounds truth. Our role is shifting. We are moving from a focus on storage and preservation to a focus on verification and application. Instead of waiting for a user to master Boolean logic to find a book, we use semantic search and AI-generated metadata to bring the right knowledge to the user at the exact moment they need it. Behind the scenes, the library is a hub of transformation. We are using AI for smart cataloging of hidden archives and algorithmic restoration of fragile cultural heritage. We are breaking language barriers with multilingual discovery and using 24/7 automated assistants to handle routine queries, allowing our staff to focus on high-level research guidance. The impact on research is profound. The traditional workflow of searching, reviewing, and writing can take years. In the AI era, tools like Elicit and Semantic Scholar, already being piloted at institutions like Harvard and Duke, can scan millions of papers in seconds. We are moving from manual labor to accelerated insight. This shift redefines what it means to be a researcher. Brute force tasks, like formatting citations or gathering siloed data, are diminishing. In their place, we see an expansion of high-level synthesis. The focus moves to designing better questions, interpreting nuanced results, and ensuring ethical integrity. For entrepreneurs and students, AI literacy is the new foundation. Libraries now intervene by teaching prompt design and helping users triangulate AI outputs with authoritative databases like Statista or Scopus. We are training the next generation to understand algorithmic bias and use research intelligence to map competitive landscapes. We are also looking at the second brain. Using the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, we can create a secure bridge between an AI reasoning engine and a user's private notes in tools like Obsidian or Notion. This allows the AI to reason directly over your own ideas without the friction of manual copying and pasting. To support this, our technical architecture must be robust. Many libraries and universities are using DSpace, an open-source software for digital repositories. Initiatives are being taken to integrate AI into digital repositories. The DSpace 9 uses Stake with a Spring Boot backend and Angular frontend, powered by Apache Solr 9. This open-source framework, running on Linux Mint, provides the stable, institutional repository needed to host and protect these intelligent assets. In a world flooded with generated information, trust is our most valuable resource. AI expands how we organize society's memory, but libraries remain the anchors that ensure that memory is reliable. We are not becoming obsolete. We are becoming more vital than ever. Thank you.